Grace and peace to you all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Donald C. I'm an author of A Hidden Mathematical Genius Within Revealed. Okay, so today I want us to look at calculus, and under calculus we'll look at quotient rule of differentiation. Okay, so when you hear this word, or you see this word quotient, quotient deals with division or fractions, because usually quotient is a number you get when you divide. Okay, so quotient rule of differentiation is the kind of differentiation that deals with fractions or division. Okay, so we can have a function. Let's say a function y is equal to u over v. Okay, so quotient rule states that you keep the denominator constant, you differentiate the numerator, and minus, you keep the numerator constant, you differentiate the denominator, then everything divided by the square of the denominator. Okay, so here is the simple sentence which you need to always memorize for ease remembering of quotient rule. Okay, so it goes like this. It's bottom the top minus top the bottom or over bottom squared. Okay, so this is a simple sentence you must memorize for easy remembering of quotient rule. So it's bottom the top minus top the bottom or over bottom squared. So you keep the denominator constant, you differentiate the numerator, and minus, you keep the numerator constant, you differentiate the denominator, then divided by the denominator squared. Okay, so let me explain it further by means of an example. So let's say we have y is equal to x squared over x plus 1. Okay, so if you want to differentiate this by quotient rule, we'll say this will be the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to, so it's bottom, so you keep the numerator constant, so it will be x plus 1, then you differentiate the numerator, so the derivative of x squared will be 2x. These 2 will multiply with the coefficient of x side, which is 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, then the power is 2, you reduce it by 1, it will be power 1, so it will just be x, so 2x. 2 multiplied by x, that is 2x. So the derivative of x squared is 2x. Okay, then minus top, so you make the numerator constant, so x squared, then you differentiate the denominator. So the denominator here, the derivative of x is 1. Okay, the derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of a constant is 0. So here we have 1, so multiplied by 1. Okay, then everything divided by the denominator squared, so x plus 1 squared. Okay, let me go through it again. It's bottom, you make the denominator constant, it's bottom the top, you differentiate the numerator, then minus top, you make this constant, then the bottom you differentiate the denominator, then divided by the denominator squared. Okay, so let us expand both the numerator and the denominator. So we have dy dx is equal to this 2x will multiply through x plus 1. So we said 2x multiplied by x, you get 2x squared. 2x multiplied by 1, you get plus 2x. Then 1 times x squared is just x squared. So we have minus x squared. Okay, over. Okay, the easiest way of expanding this x plus 1 squared, you say first you square the first term, so that is x squared, you get x squared. Then second, the product of the first term and the second term, that is x multiplied by 1, that is x times 2, that is 2x. So we have plus 2x. Then lastly, you square the last term, that is the square of 1. 1 squared is 1, so plus 1. Okay, so we have dy dx is equal to 2x squared. We'll go with x squared, that is minus. So 2x squared minus x squared, you get x squared. And here we have plus 2x over x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so on top here we have a common factor of x. We can divide out x. Dy dx is equal to, x here is common, so x squared divided by x, you get x plus 2x divided by x, you get 2. Then over x squared plus 2x plus 1. So that is the final answer. So that is how you use quotient rule of differentiation. So it goes as bottom the top minus top the bottom, or over bottom squared. If you want to write it as in terms of calculus notation, we'll say dy dx is equal to, you say v u prime, that is bottom the top, u prime, it means derivative of u, then minus u v prime, or over v squared. So that is in terms of calculus notation. So it is bottom the top minus top the bottom, or over bottom squared. Okay, so our question was y is equal to x squared over x plus 1. So you keep constant the denominator, that is x plus 1, then you find the derivative of x squared, that is 2x, then minus, you keep constant the top, that the numerator, then you find the derivative of the denominator, that is 1, then over the square of the denominator, that is 1 plus 1 squared, then you expand, you get that, yeah, and that is the final answer there. So quotient rule states that it's bottom the top minus top the bottom, or over bottom squared. Thank you so much for your time.